As skincare routines evolve, the demand for effective blackhead removers continues to rise. From beauty enthusiasts to skincare novices, more people are looking for solutions that deeply cleanse pores, improve skin texture, and combat acne. This guide explores the best blackhead removers available on Amazon by evaluating performance, skin compatibility. List number: Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Salicylic Acid Exfoliant. This cult favorite chemical exfoliant remains one of the most powerful solutions for blackheads and acne-prone skin. Formulated with 2% salicylic acid, BHA, it works by penetrating deep into pores to dissolve built-up oil and debris. The lightweight, non-abrasive liquid exfoliates dead skin cells without irritation, making it suitable for daily use. Users praise its ability to shrink pores, smooth fine lines, and noticeably reduce blackheads in just a few weeks. It's also fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and ideal for all skin types, especially oily and combination skin. If you're looking for a no-fuss, list number: Pure Daily Care Nano Steamer 3-in-1 Nano Ionic Facial Steamer. This 3-in-1 nano steamer offers spa-quality steaming from the comfort of your home. The Ionic technology produces nano steam particles that penetrate the skin 10 times more effectively than regular steam, opening up clogged pores and preparing your skin for deeper cleaning. Beyond steaming, it functions as a towel warmer and humidifier, making it a versatile addition to your skincare arsenal. It includes a stainless steel skin kit and has a large water tank that delivers up to 30 minutes of uninterrupted steam. Ideal for loosening blackheads before extraction. It's perfect for those looking to amplify the effects of masks or pore vacuums. List number: Blackhead Remover Pore Vacuum Upgraded Electric Comedone Extractor. This upgraded pore vacuum is a favorite for those who want a high-tech approach to blackhead removal. With five adjustable suction levels and 5 interchangeable heads, it's customizable to different skin types and problem areas. The strong suction pulls out oil, dirt, and debris from deep within pores without manual squeezing. It's USB rechargeable, portable, and comes with a display that shows battery life and mode settings. While it may take a bit of practice to use correctly, many users report visibly cleaner pores and smoother skin within days. Use it after steaming for best results and to avoid irritation. List number: Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. These textured pads from luxury skincare brand Elemis offer a fuss-free exfoliation experience. Each pad is infused with lactic acid and enzymes from papaya and pineapple, which work together to gently resurface skin and clear congested pores. They're great for people who prefer a mechanical plus chemical exfoliation hybrid. Unlike harsh scrubs, these pads exfoliate without micro-cares, making them safe for sensitive skin. Regular use helps brighten dull skin, reduce blackheads, and improve skin texture over time. While they come at a premium price, the spa-like results make them worth the investment. List number 5. New York Biology Dead Sea Mud Mask. Made with mineral-rich Dead Sea mud, this mask detoxifies the skin while minimizing the appearance of blackheads and acne. It draws out impurities, absorbs excess oil, and leaves the skin feeling firm and refreshed. Ingredients like aloe vera, calendula oil, and vitamin E provide added hydration and soothe irritation. Suitable for both face and body, this mask is ideal for weekly deep cleansing routines. It's especially beneficial for oily or combination skin types. A spa-quality formula and affordable price make it a standout pick for at-home facials.